Welcome to the ITarian Quick Start Guide. Let's get started. Let's go ahead and add your first customer. Under the Management tab, select Customers. Let's go ahead and click the New Customer button. Now that we have our first customer set up, let's go ahead and enroll our first endpoint by clicking the Enroll New Device button in the top left corner of the dashboard. Now that we've started the enrollment wizard, we can choose to enroll by customer or by user. In this case, we're going to enroll by customer. Next, we can select the operating system of the device. After that, we can choose whether or not we want to enroll in Protect, which adds in advanced endpoint protection for an additional fee, or if we just want to enroll the device in Endpoint Manager. Finally, we can decide if we want to have the device added using its host name, or if we want to rename the device in Endpoint Manager's display. ITarian generates a custom enrollment link based on the selections we've made. We can now send the link to the customer to self-install, or we can send it to a field tech to install it on the client's device for them. Switching to the remote device, we can now install Endpoint Manager using the link that was generated. Let's go ahead and paste that custom link into a browser. From here, we can download the Windows installer. Go ahead and open the installer file, and you'll be presented with the Windows User Account Control menu. Select Yes and grant access to the installer, and in a few moments, the installer will complete. You will receive a notification showing that Endpoint Manager has been installed. Additionally, you will now see an Endpoint Manager icon in the taskbar of the remote system. Now that we've installed the Endpoint Manager agent on the remote device, that endpoint will be available on the device list inside of Endpoint Manager. Congratulations! You've now completed the enrollment of your first device in ITarian. For more information about ITarian, click the question mark icon in the top right corner of the screen. From here, you'll have access to view this ITarian Quick Start video, view a text version of the Getting Started guide, schedule a free onboarding session, view the general help guide, access the ITarian forum, send email to ITarian support, and view the general ITarian contact information. Thanks again for being a part of the ITarian community.